Magandang umaga na naman sa inyo at sa kabila ng mundo, magandang gabi. Meron tayong papakita ngayong magandang gadget ngayon. Usong-uso, Jisoo is life. Kaya Jisoo life. Jisoo life na electric pan.
Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride! Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog!
Yeah! Hipapay, pinchapay!
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Sonid and today we're taking a ride on Manila's famous LRT-1. I'll be traveling from Dr. Santos Station all the way to Pedro Hill Station with my imaginary friend, and I am so excited to show you guys what the ride is like. Ito talaga yun eh. Yung Jisoo Life na ventilador. Ang ganda, di ba? Yan. Tapos ang bigat-bigat pa ng baterya. Kasi yung floppy ko namamasyal. Wala, nonsense na vlog dito. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, i-on natin. Ang ganda. Tapos may indicator light pa. Yay! Ito ang nonsense video natin. Papahanginin pa natin. Wow! Sticker ba? Oh, microphone natin. Oh, naka number 5 lang yan. Pero malakas yan. Oh, ha? Ito ang Jisoo Light and electric fan na may tali para hindi malaglag sa LRT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get going. We're starting our journey at Dr. Santos Station, but first we will park our yellow Wigo car here at SM Sukat. But please take note, SM Sukat only opens during mall hours. Earlier than that, you must wait. The Dr. Santos Station is one of the key stops in the southern part of LRT. It is not as busy as other stations, which makes it a nice starting point for a peaceful ride. You can buy tickets here, and if you have a stored value card, you can breeze through without any hassle of the long queue. You can buy your ticket if applicable or swipe your card as you walk towards to the train platform.
Ito yung mga pagkakataon ng vlog na to ay nakakasar. Nakakasar. Kasi wala kang maisip. Pero, ang dami mong energy. Yeah!
Alright, we're on board. The LRT-1 trains are pretty clean and well maintained, and they can get pretty packed during the rush hour. But today we're lucky, so let's enjoy the view. LRT-1 runs along the famous Taft Avenue, and along the way you will see some iconic parts of Manila. From here we will pass through the stations like Baclaran, Libertad, Hill Puyat, and Vito Cruz before finally reaching Pedro Hill. Keep your eyes open for more scenery. As we roll through the city, you will notice how the view changes from residential buildings to commercial areas. The LRT is an excellent way to travel because you can skip the traffic and enjoy some of the Manila skyline.
Nakasampa ang kotse mo! Yeah!
We're passing through the new stations and you'll see the proximity of a lot of establishments, casinos, churches, schools, and busy streets below for students and tourists alike. And we made it! We are now at Pedro Hill Station, which is super close to some school and malls like Robinson's Place Manila and the famous Manila Bay Walk. If you're visiting the city, this is a great spot to explore. There are also great bars and some food restaurants along the way. It is also close to some of the famous hotels here and around. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride with me in the LRT-1. And it is the most convenient way to travel across Manila. And it's a great experience it firsthand. That's it for today's vlog and thank you for riding along with me. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures around Manila. Until next time, stay safe and take care. It's me, Sonnet. Ride safe, slow. Goodbye. Yapapay, pichapay.